Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into one of the most popular technical indicators used by the traders, the RSI indicator. Whether you are new to trading or a seasoned pro, understanding the RSI can be incredibly valuable. So let's get started. The RSI or Relative Strength Index is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price momentum. It helps traders identifying overbought and oversold conditions in the market. The RSI ranges from 0 to 100 with readings above 70 indicates overbought territory and the reading below 30 indicates the oversold territory. The RSI generates signals that can help traders making informed decisions. When the RSI crosses above 70 level, it suggests that the market may be overbought and the potential price reversal or correction could occur. Conversely, when the RSI crosses below 30 level, it indicates an oversold conditions, signaling a potential price bounce or upward momentum. One common strategy traders use with the RSI is called divergence. This occurs when the price of an asset moves in one direction while the RSI moves in opposite directions. For example, if the price making higher highs and the RSI is making lower highs, it could be a signal that a trend reversal is imminent. Remember, the RSI is just one tool in a trader's toolbox, and it should be used in conjunction with other indicators and technical analysis. It's important to consider the overall market conditions, trade trends, and other factors before making any trading decisions. So there you have it, a brief overview of RSI indicators. Whether you are a swing trader, day trader, or a long-term investor, understanding how the RSI works can provide valuable insight into the market dynamics. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for the more educational content. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss any update. As always, please remember that trading involves risk and it's essential to do your own research and consult with financial professionals before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.